I'm actually really excited about this. Someone's walking around town right now, and they have no idea that their life is about to be changed forever. Ma'am, excuse me, can I have 2 minutes of your time?
Oh, I'm late for work.
Okay, if you give me 2 minutes, you'll never have to work again.
Yeah, right, no. Sorry.
Okay, have a great day. This is going to be tougher than I thought. I'm an engineer, not a salesman, so maybe I need to change up the...
Man.
Hey, thanks, you want one?
I wish.
Come here for a sec.
I don't really want to be on camera. Are you on TV or something?
No, I own a small financial company, and this is just going to be on our website. Is that okay?
Yeah, I guess so. Is that yours?
It's all mine. Hey, what if I told you you could own one of these by the end of the month?
I'd call the Matt House to see if they lost a patient.
Okay.
I can barely afford rent.
Let me buy you a beer, and we'll discuss it. What's your name?
Jerry Price.
Brandon. Nice to meet you. Come on, come with me.
Okay.
All right, Jerry, so here we are. What I want to show you today is the Gemini app. This is the exact app that I used to amass over $25 million in the last 2 years. And we're here to set up an account for you.
I'm a little bit skeptical, Brandon. I mean, this kind of feels like a sales pitch.
No, not a sales pitch. I'm not here to sell you anything. Okay, let's do this. Here are the keys to my Lamborghini. Let's leave them right there. If you don't leave this pub within 30 minutes with at least $1,000 more money in your bank account, you can have my car.
You're putting your money where your mouth is. Okay, let's do it.
Okay, sounds good. I want to make this as transparent as possible. How much money do you currently have in your bank account?
I mean, I'm a little embarrassed to say, actually. I'd rather not.
No need to be embarrassed, okay? We've all been there. In fact, most of the people watching this have all been in the exact same situation as you.
Okay, well, let me check. I have exactly $63.37, but my salary will come in early next week.
All right, do you mind if we show the camera?
Yeah, no problem.
All right, can I have it for a second?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go to the Gemini website. There you go.
Okay.
All right, so right now you're in the members area. Okay, so go down here and fill in the details and register for your free account.
Okay.
All right, so right now Jerry's filling in a couple of details to set up his account. Doesn't take more than a minute or so. After he's done filling in his private details, we'll connect.
All right, and done.
Excellent. Now, in the background, Gemini 2 is setting up your account, and it's linking the software to our trading platform, as well as one of our vetted brokers. Seems like it's almost done. Should only take a couple of seconds.
Done.
Yep, all right, it's all done. So, what you have to do is verify your deposit. So you opted to deposit $250, which is the minimum for the Gemini to trade with.
Mm-hmm.
As you can see, your balance inside the Gemini app is $250. Now, let's take care of a couple of settings. Auto trading algorithm, on.
Okay.
Currencies enabled.
All right.
Stocks, disabled.
Okay.
All right. Now, compound wins enabled. Compound wins means that whenever you win, your trade size gets larger, which literally means your balance will grow even faster. I highly recommend it.
Okay.
All right. You're all set, Jerry. Now, are you ready to start your new life?
Hell yeah.
Okay, so all you need to do is hit the Start Auto Trading button.
Okay.
You press Trade Results. Now you can see the trades being executed live. So, let's check back in a minute or two to see what happened.
Okay. You know your car's on the line, right, Brandon?
I have 100% trust in my software.
All right.
Okay, so it's been about 2 minutes. Let's look back in on the app. Okay. If everything went all right, it should have taken a couple of trades already.
Unbelievable.
Look at that. So, your current profit is $245 on top of the $250 starting deposit. So, $245 in profit in a little over 2 minutes. Let's finish this pint. We'll check back in 15 minutes. Put your phone down.
All right.
Okay, so it's been about 15 minutes since we started the app, and I had to force Jerry not to check his balance every 30 seconds. Let's see what we got you, man.
Hey. Oh my God. Is this real? $1,075 in 15 minutes? I don't know what to say, Brandon. I mean, this doesn't feel like real money.
Oh, it's definitely real. Okay? In fact, let's withdraw some of the money right now so you can see it with your own two eyes. Due to the amount of money that we deal with on a day-to-day basis, we have an enterprise-level banking contract. That means we can transfer money to any bank in any country in a matter of minutes rather than days. And there is no need setting anything up in the app itself. All of your details are securely stored on the broker platform, just like all the other millionaires who trade on the same platform. It's a bit like when you withdraw money from your PayPal account and the money is in your account within a few seconds. So, if you could go to home,
Okay.
all right, let's click Stop Auto Trading and then press Quick Withdrawal in the app right there.
All right.
All right, now let's specify how much money you want to withdraw. Now, we said $1,000, right?
Yeah, let's do 1,000.
Okay, so fill in $1,000, hit Withdraw.
Okay.
As you can see, you're connecting to your broker first, then sending out the priority transfer to your bank account. Bank transfer successful.
Now, does this mean that the app stops trading? I mean, I'd like to keep it going now.
Oh, no, don't worry. You can restart trading anytime you want with the money left in your account. But first, let's go for a walk. Your money should be there in about 10 to 15 minutes.
Okay.
All right?
You want these?
I do. Okay, so here we are. It's been about 15 minutes since we transferred the money. Would you mind looking at your bank account?
No, not at all.
And?
It's there, Brandon. This is incredible. My account is $1,063.37. I mean, that's $1,000 more than what I had in my account this morning.
Now, would you like to go withdraw this money so that you can see it's actual spendable cash?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's go.
Oh my gosh. This is incredible. I mean, I haven't had this much cash in my hand since I sold my car for cold hard cash. I gotta give you some of this.
No. I've got plenty of it, and I'm making more every day. This is all yours.
And this is gonna go on forever?
Yes, it will. And if you don't mind, I'd like to keep in touch because I'm sure the folks that are watching this would like to see your progress over the next couple of weeks.
I'd love that, man. I mean, I can't thank you enough for hooking me up with this software. And it's like I'm dreaming.
Welcome to your new life, buddy.
Hey.
What was that? You bet. I'll see you in a month. All right. I'll be checking in with Jerry in about 30 days. That was about a month ago. Such a fun day. We have more of Jerry's progress later in this video, so keep watching. Now, you've seen how easy it is to set up the Gemini 2 software and start making profits. You're probably wondering how it all works, and most importantly, how can you get involved? And that's a great question. I will tell you exactly how you can get involved in just a second, but for now, let's talk about you. If you're watching this video, you probably aren't doing great financially. And there are a couple of reasons for that. Let me tell you this. It is not your fault. Here's why. You probably have been scammed, lied to, and been misled more times than you care to admit. And that's probably also why you lack confidence, you are too scared to take action on good opportunities, and the support from your friends and family has slowly went to zero. I've seen life on the other side. The side of successful people who wouldn't even think twice about spending $20,000 on a meal. And I can tell you for sure, the system is rigged against you. I'm here to give you the tools to a new life. The tools that will give you something far greater than any $30,000 watch or Lamborghini. Freedom. The type of freedom where you are in charge, where you decide who you listen to, where you take your family on holiday, what kind of car you drive, and where you want to live. I'm going to help you achieve that. Just like I helped the people from our first beta group achieve the very same thing. But don't take my word for it. They will gladly tell you themselves.